In this video, I'm going to show you how to import trades from Lightspeed to TraderVue. So the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, go to the very bottom left here where it says import trades and click on this button. And then from here, you'll be able to go ahead and select which way you want to choose to import. So we have two options. The first one is the broker sync, and the second one is the standard import. If you select the broker sync, this is actually a very convenient way. Just go ahead and click select broker, press L on your keyboard so we can basically find of course, the broker starting with L, and here you have the Lightspeed. So click on that, and then here you can set an account tag, which I'm not going to do right now, and I'm going to just click on sync new DAS account. Now, the supported asset types for this are stocks and futures, so just click on that. And when you do that, it's going to open up a separate tab here. You can read all about it up top. And basically what you have to do here is put in your full name, for which I'm going to do just instant how to, for example. Then you have to select your broker name, for which, of course, you want to look for Lightspeed over here. There we go. And then here you have to use the DAS login user ID. And if you don't know how to find it, you can just click on this button here. And as you can see, this is basically what it is. This is your user ID over here. You can type this in here and click on this I understand information will be sent to DAS for verification purposes. And then just click on send request. And if your request is actually accepted, you'll be able to go ahead and sync and import trades from Lightspeed to TraderVue just like this. However, if you don't want to do that, or if for some reason you can't do it, you could also go to standard import, select your broker up top and look for Lightspeed. So Lightspeed, there we go, here it is. Click on it, and then you can again add a tag, and you have two options. The first one is to import from a file, and the second one is to paste your data here in case you want to paste it. So here, of course, the easiest way to do this is by uploading a CSV file. So for example, here, it's going to tell you exactly how to do this. You can log into the website, navigate to reports, account list, and then from there, you can go ahead and just select the account to view, click blotter, and then you'll be able to, of course, select the date range you wish to export. And then on the CSV button, you'll be able to save it onto your computer, and it's going to look something like this. Over here, as you can see, I have a CSV, and the only thing you have to do is just drag and drop it in here, or click on here where it says click to upload, find it on your computer, click on it, press open, and there we go. Now, after you've done that, just click on the import trades button. This is going to take a few seconds here. And for me, I just uploaded a random CSV file, so this is not going to work. It was actually from Thinkorswim, so it's not going to work right now. But for you, it's going to say your import is queued for processing. And you can go ahead and click on refresh status. Now, depending on how many trades you actually are trying to import, it's going to vary. The time is going to vary. So for example, if you have like only 5, it's going to be like pretty much instant. But if you have hundreds or maybe even thousands for like a lot of different dates and maybe like a year in the past, then it may take a bit longer. So just click on refresh status and keep on refreshing until it's done. For me, I got an error again because I didn't put in the correct CSV. But when you do put in the correct CSV, your trades are going to basically display down here, and you've successfully imported your trades from Lightspeed to TradingVue. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.